What's happening, everybody? Here, this is Suhan once again with you guys. Today I'm in a good place here. Let's just want to show you guys like how I'm spending my summer. You can see here it's a river. This spot is not very wide, but it's called, hey, I forget what's the name. It's Xiangjiang River. There have a poem written by Mao Zedong. If you came to China ever before, maybe you know about Mao Zedong. Who is he? He's a great legend of China. Okay, so he wrote this poem, and it's like, how to explain? Last year I memorized this poem to recite in a competition, but I forget. I'm sorry. It's really hard to remember Chinese, and let's enjoy the view here. I don't know where from I heard this word, but it's true that if you want to keep calm by yourself, you have to come beside river or up to the mountain, up of the mountain. And I'm really sorry about this noise here. There's the season. I don't know what kind of insect is that. What's happening, everybody? A lot of sound. Here I'm in a place I'm really happy to show you guys the weather and the scenery from here. Look at the scenery. Like it's been almost 2.5 years. I didn't came this kind of place because of COVID situation. But look at the weather now here. It's really amazing. Like the time of sunset, and it's called this place is actually beside Yellow Mountain. If someone came in Changsha before, maybe they know, because it's Yellow Mountain is it's a famous place in Changsha. Yeah, look at that, the view, really nice.